Samsung Inverter AC C4 error code fix in 2 minutes. A Samsung Inverter AC's C4 error code typically indicates a problem with the indoor heat exchanger sensor or, depending on the model, communication issues between the indoor and outdoor units. This can be caused by a faulty or disconnected sensor, low refrigerant levels, a weak power supply, or a malfunctioning circuit board, PCB. You should first try resetting the unit by turning off the breaker, and if the problem persists, it's best to call a qualified technician for diagnosis and repair. Here are some potential causes and solutions. Indoor heat exchanger sensor. The C4 error can point to a problem with the sensor that monitors the coils in the indoor unit. Check for loose or damaged wiring, or call a technician to inspect and replace the sensor if it is faulty. Communication error, model specific. On some models, C4 can mean a communication breakdown between the indoor and outdoor units, sometimes specifically seen as a C422 error. A technician will need to diagnose this, as it could be a wiring issue, a problem with the PCB, or even a low refrigerant charge causing a refrigerant flow block. Low refrigerant levels. Insufficient refrigerant can cause temperature fluctuations that trip the sensor, leading to a C4 error. A technician must diagnose and repair any leaks before recharging the system. Electrical issues. Problems like low voltage or a malfunctioning power circuit board, PCB, can trigger this error. A professional can check the voltage and diagnose any issues with the PCB or other electrical components. If the error code returns after resetting, call a qualified HVAC technician. The C4 error often requires professional diagnosis and repair of the sensor, wiring, or refrigerant system.